For what values of x is the expression negative? So it's asking normally we don't have these absolute value symbols. It's asking for this. When is it less than 0? Okay. So let's actually study the sign of this and this separately. Okay. So the absolute value of x minus 1 actually has 2 zeros. Okay. And here. Okay, when you plug in 1 in here, it's going to be 0. When you also plug in -1, it's also 0. Okay, the y value is 0. So when you plug in 0, you actually get -1. Okay. And when you plug in a value like 2, right, it's going to be positive. Positive 1. But when you plug in -2, it also has positive 1. So it looks like a V. Okay, so we actually saw that all the absolute values look like a V, but it looks like this. That's been shifted downwards. Okay, it's been shifted downwards. But you can see that the roots are at -1 and 1. So I'm going to put okay, -1, 1. Okay, so this one here actually, let me omit that. Like that actually doesn't have any root, and I'll explain why in a second. So when it's -1, -1 and 1, this expression is 0, 0. In between these values, the y value is negative. Otherwise, it's positive. So what about this? Or is there any value I can put in here so that you get the absolute value of x plus 2 is equal to 0? Well, absolute value is always positive, right? No matter what you plug in here. So there's no way this can be 0. So this is actually always positive. So the question is asking now, if you multiply these two, when is it negative? You can see that it's only this region right here, a negative and a positive multiplied together, which will give you a negative. So what is this? What region is that? What x values? That's right. It's represented by this little blank space. And that's x is between -1 and 1.